Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today again we'll take a look at the euro currency. Today finally we could start to talk about the potential trading setups that market is ready to provide in the nearest time. So because yesterday we mostly have waiting for ending of the retracement or ending of the upward action, so where retracement will start. And market yesterday was around 1830. It's a 50% resistance major level from this whole move down, but we said that probably it could move slightly higher, and indeed that has happened. So only our bot was able to stop the market. As a result, we've got this shooting star pattern to the downside. So retracement is started right now. It provides a lot of opportunities for trading, as on the long side, on the short side. So you'll see on the intraday charts what we're talking about. First of all, let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we've got very good looking bearish engulfing, or better to say evening star pattern. Also take a look at this upside reversal swing. So you can see this market has created the top that is greater than the previous swing down, usually appearing of the reversal swing leads to the deeper retracement. And here again we will talk about the 1730 disrespected confluence support area. As you know, the target of the engulfing on the evening star pattern usually equals to the length of the bars. So it means that on the intraday chart we should get some kind of the AB equals CD pattern to the downside. And if you will measure the length of the bars counted to the downside, you will see that precisely it coincides with the 1730 area. That's a very good sign. Now about patterns that could be formed. So on what we have on the hourly chart. First of all, if I plot here, guys, the moving average that we use for Jordan directional patterns, you'll see that here would not have clear bread and butter trade, because market has reached 3/8 support within the long distance down. So this hasn't happened within the 3 closes below 3x3, but lower. At the same time, guys, the nature of this pattern, the market mechanics of this pattern still stands the same. We probably can't call it as the Jordan bread and butter, but we could call it as the momentum trade, because indeed the rally to the upside was very strong. This is the first bounce after this has happened. It means that the bullish momentum that exists with this rally is still in place. That's why here we will not apply the term of the bread and butter, but we will be watching approximately for the same target. This should be around 1825. This deep retracement should be formed here. Also, guys, as you can see, this is reversal swing here. So upward swing up is smaller than downward swing. So the first trade setup will appear around this area. Here, the most probable that we will get will be some kind of the Gardner's triple 2 cell, because reversal swing, deep retracement, some kind of the ABCD retracement here should happen. That will be the first moment for scalp traders to watch for a possible short position based on the Gardner's triple 2 cell. It's very probable that this will happen here, will appear. The target, as you can see, if we will measure this line cloned in this point, it will point precisely in the confluence support around 1738, 1740. That in turn stands very close to the 1730 on the 4-hour time frame chart. Slightly higher, just 10 pips difference. Here will be, guys, opportunity to go long probably, because retracement will be over on this leg, and sorry, on the daily chart. On this leg retracement will be over, and it means that market indeed could show upward continuation, as will show with respect to the overbought. First retracement of this breakout, upward continuation is possible, because, guys, I'm still keeping in mind the potential Jordan double repo sell on the weekly chart, but for the purpose, market should return back to the tops around 120. I'm not sure this will happen, but it is possible. And here it will be a very important moment just to keep an eye on what respect will be to the confluence, how market will reach it. If we will see this kind of action but in another direction, definitely this will not be the context for taking the long position. But if it will be gradual and smooth retracement, 1740 is a very good moment where we could think about the taking the long. Besides, here we will get another but bullish pattern, Garters triple to buy, because it's thrust up, ABC retracement. This is Garters triple to buy. So as you can see, we're coming to the moment where the real trading steps should start appear on the euro currency. First, we will be watching for this bounce up to the 1825. I don't know, maybe you will find something, some background to the trading and long with this minor action. If you trade, say, on the 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, maybe it also exists some context for trading here. But this is too small scale for us, where we'll be watching for hourly chart and higher. That's why for us, first stop here, drop right here, and in this moment, around 1730 area, we will be watching for an opportunity to take the long position. So that's what we see right now in the euro currency.